Hello, everybody, and happy December. It's that time of the year when we all act a little nicer. We smile a little bit easier. We cheer a little more. It's almost Christmas. My name is Victoria, and I'm very pleased to welcome you to the opening scene of SMSBump's very own Christmas series, 12 Days of Christmas. In the span of 12 days, from now until the very last night before Christmas, we'll share with you valuable tips on how to make the most out of the upcoming holidays, starting from how to bring the Christmas cheer to your online store, going through generating more sales and engaging with more customers, all the way to keeping those relationships and your customers' loyalty even after the seasonal cheer is well behind us. Hear from industry experts from Justuno, Gorgeous, Yatpo, and more, and stuff your Christmas stockings full of jolly good ideas for the merriest of Christmases at your e-commerce store. So let me give a start to our 12 days of Christmas with a tip from us. We realized that the holidays is the time you want to spend with your family. It is the time for family. So it's important to prep your marketing in advance and just basically forget about it, or at least not have to worry about it at the very last second. With SMSBump, you can easily automate customer communication and send personalized messages on autopilot, making sure that neither customers nor any potential sales slip through the holiday cracks and through your holiday fingers. So our advice to you is to use the time before Christmas to activate some of our handcrafted Christmas flows. You can recover more sales with our holiday-inspired browse abandonment and abandoned cart reminders, or boost your customer lifetime value with our interactive upsell and win-back flows. Either way, make sure you pack those messages full of holiday treats, like some sweet discounts and a copy that will ring in the holiday spirit. With that, I'd like to wish you a cozy and fully automated December. And don't forget to stay tuned for the rest of our holiday videos.